Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dust token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the website. In the dust, in the expensive cosmos of decentralized finance, narrative matters just as much as members. Astertax, a rising force in DeFi, has chosen not just a symbol but a living idea to embody its vision. Dust, far more than a mascot, Dust is an imaginative spirit crafted to represent abundance, accessibility, and the playful yet profound journey of liquidity. Dust is described as a spirit light, mischievous, and full of energy. Unlike mascot that merely serves as branding tools, Dust functions as a methodological guide to embodies the ethos of DeFi. The liquidity once scarce and soiled should be democratized and abundant for everyone. In this sense, Dust is not just a figure of assument, he is the oracle of Asteras, the ascended plan of liquidity, where participants rise together into a higher state of financial freedom. Visually, dust evokes the aura of a traveler between worlds, draped in minimal yet cosmic attire. He is positioned as a being who bridges the earthly, earthly and the celestial. His image, sometimes shown against the backdrop of stars and planetary light, forms him as a both explorer and prophet. The halo that hovers above his head is not simply decorative, it symbolizes alignment and vision. The idea that dust reap possibilities beyond the horizon, lending others towards them. Dust token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion dust token. Dust token is listed on lbank, xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.